Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s with a cracked display, and David will replace it for us. So let's get to it. So first thing we're gonna do is try to assess the situation and the damage on this Redmi Note 10s, and it seems to be not turning on or not showing us anything on the display. So we're gonna remove the back cover first. We're gonna do that by prying it from the sides and agitating the adhesive with some IPA. Gonna be safely do that. This is made of a plastic, but we're still gonna take our time cutting off adhesives and slowly lifting up to this point right here. I'm gonna slice through the adhesive. Pretty stubborn, but it's designed that way. Securely hold and cover your smartphone. Pretty stubborn, very thick adhesive. And we're gonna remove the screws that's attached to the cover for the main board and the daughter board. I'm gonna slowly remove them one by one. I'm gonna lift it up from this side, and it reveals something underneath those covers. Multitude of camera components. You have the flash and I think an IR and 3 camera lens, and we're gonna pry it from the side here. Seems typical on your budget smartphone. This one seems mid-range, and here you can easily just remove it. We're gonna be careful not to damage some components behind these sides and covers. We also encountered some buttons here. I'm gonna lift it up slowly. We have this connector for the fingerprint scanner. That's what I'm worried about on these types of repairs. The tiny connectors. Still has some parts that we need to remove here. And it's gonna come loose eventually, but patience is key. Again, pretty stubborn, pretty secure. I think there's still one screw left behind. Nope. Just gonna slice through it. And now it's off. Thankfully. We're gonna remove some components here to reveal the connector for the display. And we can now test if our replacement display here will work with the board. I'm gonna turn this on. Still gonna attach this connector first. This is for the charger and the headphone jack. I'm gonna test this charger. Nothing. We're gonna test another charger. I think needs a little bit of boost to wake up the internal components. To Xiaomi's credit, the Redmi smartphones are kind of robust. Not really sensitive to repairs, multiple repairs. Very fixable smartphones. And now it's turned on. It's still at 50%, but it seems that it needs a bit of charge boost. to wake up the system, and now it's woken up, and we can now access the touchscreen and the menu for the smartphone, and we can even properly shut it down. Next thing we're gonna do is remove this, put it to the side for the meantime. That's some good news, and I think we can continue with our disassembly process. And now we can now safely remove the old display. I'm gonna say goodbye to it. Thankfully, this one is easier to remove than the back cover or the housing cover. We're just gonna clean up the housing and install our new display. This time we're gonna use our liquid glue. There's no adhesive strips behind our replacement display, so we're gonna use our own. It's gonna securely hold on to the replacement display. We're just gonna position it and press it in. Here's the connector. We're just gonna connect them together and reassemble everything. We're gonna connect this main connector and antenna cables. We're gonna reroute them properly and attach them to our main board. And that's it. We have successfully replaced the display on this Redmi Note 10s. Cover the camera modules. At the back, on the outside, it looks amazing. When you uncover it, it's not really fabulous, but it's functional, at least. We're gonna put all the screws back in, and the final piece, the SIM card tray and the back cover. I'm gonna turn this back on again, and it's live. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a like if you want. Take care of yourself. I'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.